Hello, everyone. I'm going to be reviewing the Genius Annotation site because it seemed a little more helpful for our project that we're going to be doing together. And also, I just think it's really cool. And my third confirmation is that it has the piece of news right here that R. Kelly is going to be on hold for the time being. And if you know anything about my feelings about R. Kelly, then you'll know that I'm happy about that. So, basically, I'm just gonna show you the website itself, and we might go through a song or something. So, up here it has some featured stories. And if we were to do this for our project, I think we could do some featured books or featured classes or something like that, featured interviews about certain things. And then you can see that there's a website that you can shop at and you can connect via social media platforms. These are the top songs for today. We'll do all time. Oh, Despacito is the most highly asked one. We'll stay away from the ones that are a little bit more questionable sometimes. So the whole premise of this site is that people would be able to annotate their thoughts on what a song lyric or a particular poetic lyric or line would mean, or a book of the Bible, any kind of prose that's uploaded here. You can kind of give your thoughts on it. I'm afraid to click this because I don't know what these words are. Okay, this is great. So this part of the song right here is in Spanish, and so if you don't speak Spanish, you could go to this website and be like, I don't know what they're saying, let me click on this annotation, and then the writer of the actual song itself has written, it's just kind of like, it's happening, we can't control it, we're coming together and nothing can stop us. These upvotes here you can see are people who think that this is a legitimate claim, people who are like, yeah, this is what it means. You can downvote something if you're like, obviously you missed the point, my dude. So I think that's really cool, a really cool source. You can also play the song here at the bottom. Let's check out, let's see if any Shakespeare is on here, because we'll see how much they participate in classic literature on this website. We will do some Hamlet because Hamlet is one of my faves because of one scene where Polonius, after Hamlet kills him, spoiler, through the curtain, Polonius goes, I am slain, and then falls out of the curtain. And it's really funny because he doesn't need to announce that he's slain because we all know. Anyway, so let's look here. Let's talk about Rosencrantz. Okay, both your majesties might, by the sovereign power you have of us, put your dread pleasures more into command than to entreaty. Let's see what they have to say about that. All right. Both Rosencrantz and Guildenstern clearly know which side their bread is buttered on, and they are no strangers to the niceties of royal flattery. They miss no chance to kiss, of Claudius and Gertrude with the most flowery language they can summon. Of my knowledge of Rosencrantz and Guildenstern, I always thought it was Guildenstein, but this is true of them. But I also know that I'm in a class full of English majors, so if I'm incorrect, you just let me know. So as you can see, it's spanning from not only popular culture, but all the way into classic literature. Can post videos. I think this would be really cool and important for if we had interviews that we did of students, or if we had archival material that we wanted to show, we could put it on this a page like this for our project. We also could make t-shirts like they have for the shop here. I mean, come on, that would be awesome. But overall, I feel like this website is a really collaborative space that we might want to create just like for our project. So I think this is a really good model, and you're able to have like, you know, some sort of tracking of who's on the website and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, I think that this Genius annotation site is what really it means to have a digital humanities project, which is to take like what's happening in humanities, digitize it so that people can participate and interact with it. And so I feel like this website really fulfills that role. So that's all. Thanks so much. Bye bye.